Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Infiniti QX50 gas tank. First, you'll want to find the fuel door release button, which is usually located on the driver's side, near the floor or dashboard. Give it a firm press, and you should hear a soft click as the fuel door unlatches. Then, simply push the fuel door from the outside to fully open it, giving you access to the fuel cap. It's a straightforward process, taking just a few seconds. Once the fuel door is open, your next step is to remove the fuel cap. This is quite simple. Just turn the cap counterclockwise. You'll feel it loosen, and after a few turns, it will come completely free from the fuel filler neck. To keep it secure and out of the way while you refuel, hang the cap on the small hook or holder that's conveniently built into the inside of the fuel door. This prevents it from dangling or getting dirty. Now that the cap is off, you're ready to refuel. Carefully insert the fuel nozzle into the tank opening, making sure it's seated securely. Select the correct fuel grade for your Infiniti QX50 and begin pumping. Once you're finished, remove the nozzle and replace the fuel cap. Turn it clockwise until you hear at least 3 distinct clicks. These clicks indicate that the cap is properly tightened and sealed, preventing any fuel vapor from escaping. With the fuel cap securely in place, the final step is to close the fuel door. Gently push the fuel door until you hear a click, which confirms it has latched properly. Take a moment to ensure the door is flush with the vehicle's body, maintaining its sleek lines and aerodynamics. Double-check that it's completely closed and secure before you start your engine and drive away, ensuring everything is safely in place for your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.